Hello, everybody, and welcome to episode 2 of Trading Futures Live. If the first episode isn't out on YouTube, that's because it's on Patreon only. At the end of the day, I have to do what's best for me. I hope you understand. So I've been watching this and I have not taken a trade yet. But here are the notes that I've taken, and I would like to know your thoughts about them. Price mostly likes to stay in areas it's already been. It doesn't really like going into new spots a lot. This means that most of the time, price is not diving down or up. It loves staying where it's already been. So trades can be split into two categories: dynamic, where you're betting on it moving somewhere new, or stagnant, where you're betting on it staying relatively close to its average. There are long periods of time of consolidation to some degree, and this is happening much more often than price moving to a new area. Sure, we get big moves to new places, but this happens so rarely compared to price battling back and forth for a bit. So, when you have take profits outside of the area where price is most of the time, aka around its line of best fit, and stop losses inside of that area, then that's a super low probability trade. This has been an aha moment for me. I'm thinking about where price tends to be and how it behaves with moving into new areas. This is the type of information I can use to make decisions based on probabilities. So, I'm going to keep watching, and if I don't take a trade for today, then that's fine. Alright, it's been quite a while and I still haven't taken a trade. It's just not really moving right now. And I really don't like trading at the bottom or tops of ranges. The other thing I'm thinking about is the massive size of this daily candle. The longer it gets, the less likely it is to continue, which is logic that I use while trading on the smaller candles as well. The longer it gets, the less likely it is to continue. These huge candles over here are statistical abnormalities. Most of the time, you have candles like these. And I don't really want to be messing around with 2-point trades, you know? What the heck is going on right now? This is just pure chaos. It's looking like I'm not going to be taking a trade, but of course I'm going to keep watching it. Alright, I just came back from getting my coffee. I ended up sitting outside for a long time on a nice comfy chair. I'm in a trade with the sim account right now. I basically looked at the chart and then entered the trade like 2 seconds later. I sort of wish I did this on the real account just because I like how this is looking, but we'll see. And even if I don't end up taking a trade, this day is definitely not a waste. I think I've identified some very important thought processes that are leading me astray and making me be so wrong so often. I'll read what I've written in a little bit. We'll trade. I called it off early because of this. And it looks like that was the right call for now. But you never know, because these things don't always last forever. And by don't always, I mean they never last forever. Here's a little haiku I just made about trading. You ready? I'm trading the chart, and it's making me nervous. I hope I don't shart. How's that, huh? Pretty good. Thank you. Alright, everybody. No trades for today. But take a look at that chart. That's something else. It was from the CPI. A weird day of price action, and I'm glad I didn't trade anything. I'd much rather do that than overtrade. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.